Hi everyone, it's Nettie. I'm back again to talk to you about a new exciting program. It's called Digital Processors Inc. That's right, Digital Processors Inc. And you're probably looking at this video because either you're thinking about joining Digital Processors Inc. or you're just looking for a way to make some extra money from home, from your smartphone, wherever you are, okay? And what I really want to share with you guys about this system is it's simple. It's simple. I mean, if you're looking for a way to make some money, online, it does not get much simpler. And so, guys, what is this system? What is it all about? Well, look at your phone. Look at that cell phone, that smartphone that's nearby you, that's in your hands, that you're looking at all day long, right? It's about texting, okay? Texting. Now, I know all of you guys don't do this, but I've done it on occasion. I must admit that if I leave my phone at home, okay, I'm gonna run and I'm gonna get my phone. You guys might not do that. Everybody has their phone, everybody's looking at it, and what a great way to reach people as a marketer if you do it on their phones, okay? And so Digital Processors Inc., it walks you through all of the steps. It gives you leads, so you get leads with this system. The capture page, I just love it. It's high converting. It grabs people's attention. Become a digital processor. And you make $25 for every text or email message that you send. So there are instructions to teach you how to do both, how to find people, okay, how to find people, and you also get leads as a part of the system, and you get ad copy. It does not get much greater, folks. It does not get much greater. The $25 is only a one-time fee. And as I like to say, I know I got a family. If we order out some pizza, you best believe it's way over $25. Okay? And I cannot tell you how many times in our life we've ordered out pizza. So about the cost of takeout pizza, you can get a system that will generate thousands of dollars for you over and over again. No monthly fees. Everything's spelled out. So you can be a newbie, okay, someone's brand new, or you can be a seasoned marketer. Okay, and why would you want to do this if you're a seasoned marketer? Well, you'd want to do it because it's instant pay. Everybody loves instant pay into their PayPal account. Everybody, trust me, everybody loves that, and everybody needs instant pay on a daily basis. This system allows you to have that. Okay, and so it's very simple. It walks, you right through the process. It's really no way to mess it up. And if you join with someone like me, hey, I'm someone who picks up the phone, who answers her Facebook messages, who answers her texts, and wants to see everyone who I encounter succeed. So, if you liked what I shared on this video, if you found value in it, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button below, okay? Ring that bell, that notification bell below so you know every time I come on, okay? And share this information with someone who you think could benefit from it. Now, if you are looking for an opportunity like this, you know, this is good for stay-at-home moms. This is good for somebody who's working who wants a side hustle. This is good. We're coming up, you know, towards summertime. This is good for college students. I mean, anybody can do this. Retirees, right? And with texting, you don't even have to talk to anybody. And the system shows you exactly what to do. So if you're interested, I'm gonna leave my link in the description below, and get started. I am looking for action takers, people who are ready to take their life to the next level. With that, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.